Good early morning, folks. This is Calvin Hendryx-Parker, and we are getting ready for Python Web Conference 2023, our fifth annual. I am joined by Kristi Perreault, one of our illustrious speakers. Kristi, give folks a quick introduction to yourself.
Hi, everyone. My name is Kristi Perreault. I am a AWS serverless hero and a principal software engineer at Liberty Mutual. I've been focused in the serverless enablement space for the last couple of years, and recently I've switched into a cloud enablement role where I'm working with teams to move their applications to the cloud in the most cost-effective and hopefully serverless way possible.
That's awesome. I hear you've also gotten involved in the community and you're helping with one of the meetups.
Yes, I am one of the co-organizers for the AWS Portsmouth, New Hampshire user group. So if you're ever in the area, definitely drop by. We'd love to have you.
That's awesome. I'm glad we're going to have a representative from the PUG with us. So you'll be talking at Python Web Conference this year. Give folks a little teaser about what they can hear.
Sure. So I absolutely love Python. It is one of my favorite languages to work with. It is so literal, so easy to use. It's one of my #1 languages that I recommend to folks who are just getting started out. And as in somebody in the cloud space, I've worked a ton with AWS CDK and building well-architected applications. And I found that there's a lot of guidance around TypeScript, but not as much around Python. So I put this talk together because I'm really excited to share some of the kind of Python tips and tricks that I've discovered. I've consulted a lot with the quote unquote experts in the Python application space when it comes to CDK and cloud. So I'm happy to share those things and talk about how you can build well-architected applications using Python.
Super excited to have you with us. You'll be spending the week at Python Web Conference. What are you hoping for yourself to get out of Python Web Conf?
Yeah, the speaker lineup looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm super excited to check out some of the other talks, network with folks. And as always, I love questions. So if folks are coming prepared with questions for me, whether it's during or after the conference, I just love networking and chatting with folks, especially about Python.
Yeah, that's one of the great advantages of like the virtual format of the Python Web Conference is the speakers are all very accessible. Like you can come up and chat with them after the talks and the kind of virtual face-to-face that we do that's actually in a virtual meeting and you get to talk to them for real. Or the Slack chat's available all week long and you can catch them and ask them all the kind of questions you want. So thank you so much for being with us coming up here in March for Python Web Conference. We will see all of you next month and have a great week.